All right, everybody. Hey, Derek with IncomeSmasher. Hey, today we're going to go over email marketing, right? Email marketing is so critical to your business. It is huge. 99% of all people check their email every day, multiple times a day. So if you run a business like affiliate business, a blog, a website, a YouTube channel, you should be doing email marketing. We're kind of going to go over how email marketing works, what you should look at, some of the email marketing platforms out there, just brief overview. Not really going to go into details with those. We'll have other videos to show you which ones are the best. Show you some of the top email marketing platforms to use, how to automate your emails, how to improve your click-through rate, and then, just go through how to really set up your campaigns to really put together a good email strategy for your blog, website, or YouTube channel. And if you stay to the end, we're going to go over with you the how much money you can really make with a list if you start putting a list together today. People always put together a blog or YouTube channel, and the last thing they think about is an email marketing list. And it is critical that you use that. Critical that you do this. I mean, it is a big deal, right? So, hey, let's get started and let's check it out. So if you look here, we're going to just go over the first 4 different email marketing platforms that might be of interest to you. ConvertKit's one, very popular one that people use. Another one is GetResponse. It's another one. And all these will be in the description, so I'll put them in the description with links so you can link to them and go to them if you want to check them out or try any of these. I used Aweber a long time ago. It's a long-standing one that's been around for a really long time, and it's a great one to use. But I don't use that right now. I use SendinBlue. I use this one just a couple different reasons. I use it. Pricing, it's kind of free to start with, and the way that you can build out your automation is really cool. So I've been using SendinBlue for a couple of my for a couple of my blogs. So those are a couple of the different ones. There's tons of them out there. Those are the 4. Like I said, we'll have them in the description. You can go check them out, see if there's any that you would like to use. Now, when you start your email or you start your campaigns, you want to, well, look here, new subscribers are really key, right? You've got to offer them something to subscribe to your newsletter. You can't just say, hey, subscribe to my newsletter. I'll send you some more information. Like an ebook, some kind of like, hey, I'm going to send you, like on mine, I said, hey, I'll send you 5 powerful techniques because I got a self-defense website. 5 powerful techniques you can use to drop somebody attacking you within seconds. And then I send them, to a page that has 5 different videos of different martial arts moves that they can do to really drop an attacker or stop somebody from attacking you. And people subscribe to my newsletter all the time. They subscribe to that, and then I send them information. So if you look over here, here it is, traintofightback.com. So when they sign up, they get this. I send them to the 5 self-defense techniques that they can use to drop somebody. And then, I provide some links and some information on, buying a boxing dummy if you want to use one to train at home, and the best boxing gloves to use. And then subsequent emails after that, what I do is I send them informational things like, hey, here's how to do a rear naked choke, or here's a guillotine choke. And then I have a link to go to my video and shows them how to do those moves. And then maybe the 3rd or 4th video, I'm like, hey, here's another video I think you would like. And also here's some boxing gloves that we recommend that you train in, and you can use these boxing gloves to train in. And then it's a link. It goes to an affiliate program with Amazon, and then if they buy it, I make some money. So that's how you set up these automatic emails, okay? And then another one is this guy. He's a competitor, but I like him, Trav, with Fight Smart. But he gives some really good information on knife defense. And then, he talks about Aikido against knife defense, and then there's a video you can go to see how these guys did the knife defense. Now he does just more words. I have a little bit more picture orientation, HTML in mine, because I think that engages with people more. Just having text and a little goofball thing here is, I don't know, not really what I would think would work well, but maybe he's tested this and this works really well for him. I don't know. But that's the current, that's one of my current competitors. And like I said, I do like some of the information he provides. So I check up on him and just see what he does compared to what I do, right? That's what you got to do. You got to see what your competitors are doing and do similar things. So if you look, not only new subscribers, but you want to, check out preferences. One area where brands continue to fail, or websites or blogs continue to fail, is, marketing to customers based on what they want to look at. If somebody wants to check out information on jiu-jitsu and I'm sending them information on Muay Thai, that doesn't really help them any, right? That's not what they want. So I'm not giving the customer what they want. So in these emails, a lot of times they break up the email and they do preferences, like they put people in different categories, like this group will be for jiu-jitsu, and this group really wants to know more about boxing, and this group wants to know more about Muay Thai. This group wants to know about Taekwondo. So then when you send information through email marketing, you're sending what they want to learn, what they want to know, and you're not sending somebody who wants to learn Muay Thai moves information on Taekwondo moves, right? So you really want to segment your audience, figure out what their interests are, and make sure you send them that information. Okay? So open rate, open rate's a big deal. Like I said, you should really split test all your stuff. So if, you're sending emails to different groups, what are they opening? Which ones are they opening? Which emails are they opening the most? If one email, you're getting like huge amount of opening rates, try to duplicate that email with some of your other emails and just keep testing and keep trying. And this will improve, your conversion rate and improve people buying when you do send out an affiliate program or something, or a course for them to buy. You need, like we were talking about earlier, you need a lead magnet. So make sure when they're signing up, you give them something that is of great value, an ebook, the 5 videos I gave people on, the best moves to stop an attack, different things like that. You can also test that, split test it, make sure you can find things, that people will like. So maybe you try these 5 videos with this title, and then you test another 5 videos with a different title, or the same videos with a different title. And if that title gets 2 or 3% higher open rate, then we stick with that one. And then you try it again and you change the title again until you can figure out what is the best open rate for your emails. So lead magnet types, everyone learns in different ways. Some subscribers may prefer to attend a live webinar or a PDF report, or like I did, I send videos to teach people, because self-defense is more of a video thing, right? I can't really tell you like, hey, here's how you punch, or here's how you throw a hook punch, or here's how you do a rear naked choke. I really got to show you on a video. Opt-in frequency. Some of your subscribers opt in for one of your lead magnets, while others may opt in for multiple lead magnets. So maybe somebody wants to learn Taekwondo, karate, and Muay Thai, right? So they, opt into all 3 of them. That's fine. I mean, this is this is what they want to do, right? This is what they want to learn. So what you want to do then, is set up your email through one of the providers. Doesn't matter. SendinBlue, Aweber, like I said, they'll be in the description. Check them out. Set a goal for your email campaign, and then decide on the types of email you want to send based on what you know so far of your audience. And as you learn more, you can change those around. Select the right technology for what you want to do, whether it's Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, or SendinBlue. plan the emails and the follow-up. So once you set it up, plan your emails and then do the follow-up, right? So if you look over here, at my emails, I've got this email, but I also have a bunch of other follow-up emails. So, 2 or 3 days later, I'll send them another email and I'll send a video on, how to do the guillotine choke. And then, if somebody's in jiu-jitsu. And then the next one, I'll send a video on how to do the rear naked choke. And then the next one, I'll say, hey, sounds like you really like the jiu-jitsu. Here's a video or a course you can take, and I'm an affiliate for it that, would help you learn jiu-jitsu. And then you send that, and then some of your customers will buy and some won't. But that's how you set it up, right? That's how you do it. And then craft the perfect subject line. The subject line is going to be key, right? That's going to draw them in, get them into the email so they can check it out. And then write your email copy, get everything set up, get all your emails for a whole year set up so that it just automatically sends out every week or every 2 weeks or however often you're sending the emails. And then test and track, test and track, test and track. Just keep testing, tracking, updating where you can. And then, once you feel that you've got good percentages, you can just keep testing and tracking. Never know when you're going to find some headline or some subject line or something that will really get your open rates higher, right? So, hey, you stayed to the end. I wanted to share with you what the cost strategy or how much money you can really make using email lists. And you can earn incredibly high return on investment. Now, it depends on the niche you're in. Some niches are a lot more, you make a lot more money than other niches, like making money online or finance or, stock buying tips kind of websites, stuff like that, like technology websites. You can make a lot of money. Some websites, like, self-defense, you're not going to make as much, really. Your return on investment is not going to be as much. But for email, you can do $44 for every dollar you spend. You can make $44 for every dollar you spend with email. Because emailing a list of 200, 1,000 people, 2,000 people is free for you. Like once you get somebody's email, it's free marketing. You're not really spending money besides, having the email service. That's really it, right? You're not spending to send more emails to people. So it can be a lot of money. $44 for every dollar you spend is incredible, and you need to do it. So get out there and set up your email, set up your autoresponder, pick up one of these, ConvertKit, GetResponse, Aweber, or SendinBlue, pick one, and start it today.